Sergeant, I had our motor pool look at this vehicle. Do you think M&D can fix this?
The Material Maintenance Division at Fort Bragg, North Carolina supports the home of the airborne and special operations soldiers. Fort Bragg is one of the largest multifunctional complex installations worldwide responsible for supporting America's strategic response forces. The installation is a power projection platform that strategically deploys high-priority active component brigades and supports major deployments and mobilizations of high-priority Army Reserve and National Guard units. Fort Bragg provides services to a customer base of more than 250,000 soldiers, civilians, family members, and retirees. The Materials Maintenance Division plays a critical role in supporting these forces, and this has never been more apparent. While supporting Operation Iraqi Freedom, Operation Enduring Freedom, Reset, and the Left Behind equipment missions this year, the warfighter demonstrated the need for the Materials Maintenance Division to be even more agile, effective, and able to surge to meet mission priorities. During fiscal year 10, the Materials Maintenance Division exceeded all previous year's numbers by repairing more than 34,000 pieces of equipment, small arms and night vision goggles, tactical vehicles, heavy construction and special purpose items, communications equipment, and allied pieces. Committed to quality, the Materials Maintenance Division is certified for ISO 9001, AMCOM aircraft engine rebuilding, CCOM electronic repair and night vision, and TACOM engine and transmission rebuilding.
I'm extremely proud to be the Director of Logistics for this outstanding organization, and I take great pride and pleasure in being a member of a superb team of professionals here at Fort Bragg, North Carolina. We are the premier source of repair at the installation level for all tactical commanders' equipment. The MMD has great capability to provide support not only for tactical combat systems, but also for other programs such as LBE, Reset, and the National Maintenance Program.
With innovation, teamwork, and customer service in its arsenal, Fort Bragg's Director of Logistics Material Maintenance Division is absolutely at the center of the maintenance excellence for logistics and is setting the standard Army-wide in installation maintenance.
The MMD's mission is to provide an effective maintenance support for both air and ground to sustain the life cycle readiness of the warfighter's weapon systems and equipment while supporting an Army Force Generation, ARFGen, in a reliable and efficient manner. The immediate challenge is to continue to support an Army at war and reset its equipment as quick as possible so it's available for the next deployers.
The Aviation Logistics Maintenance Branch, ALMB, continues to be a major contributor to aviation reset with the UH-60AL Black Hawk and more recently the CH-47F Chinook programs. ALMB completed 1 Chinook and 19 Black Hawk reset inspections so far this year. The ALMB also reduced man-hour expenditures by almost 200 hours per aircraft while maintaining an average of 81 days of turnaround time for each aircraft. Among other savings, the ALMB achieved more than $250,000 in cost avoidance by polishing and refurbishing rather than replacing aircraft windows damaged by the harsh, sandy environments of OEF and OIF. The Fort Bragg ALMB leads the way with demonstrated continuous improvements in all aspects of aviation maintenance through proper resource management, application of lean principles, combined with a sound quality oversight program and an experienced and dedicated contractor workforce.
As of June 2010, the ALMB has saved units more than $1.8 million in Class 9 money and defrayed another $202,000 in depot repair team costs through one-time repair and special repair authorizations.
There are 7 main areas of concentration at the MMD: National Maintenance, the HMMWV hood repair, 5S method, pit bay pit lane, on-the-move weapon trailers, green use environment, and antifreeze recycling.
Here in the Maintenance Division, we repair all types of equipment, from the operator level all the way to the complete rebuild at the general support level. Our job here at the MMD is to get the equipment repaired in the quickest possible means with the highest quality and give it back to our customers.
The maintenance to our soldiers' vehicles is very important, and it is vital to this organization, and we take it to heart. The pit stop, pit lane, Humvee, hood process, and on-the-move trailer is proof that it's working.
The MMD on-the-move trailers continue to be an asset to Fort Bragg and the MMD. The concept was adopted to increase the MMD's capability as a combat multiplier while saving thousands of dollars and significantly improving readiness.
With the on-the-move trailers, soldiers love that we can drive up to the unit's arms room, inspect and repair the weapons and night vision devices.
The trailers continue to improve their processes to increase armament output. In FY10, the on-the-move trailers conducted 224-plus missions, repairing weapons and night vision devices. Lean manufacturing involves non-value-added waste to streamline a process. In order to obtain this goal, there is always continuous improvement. The MMD concept was to decrease the time that equipment was repaired and increase the number of items repaired. The other tool was Six Sigma, demake process. This process involved a new way of thinking to find the root cause of a problem and to find the correct solution.
Parts kitting is a manufacturing world's best practice initiative used to reduce costs and improve delivery time. Kits are pre-packaged in parts bins that are rolled into the work area at the same time equipment is brought into the bay.
The goal here is to reduce all non-value added time within the bays. If we could keep the mechanic in the bay turning wrenches, that's exactly what we want to do.
The National Maintenance Program overhauls and restores equipment to a completely serviceable condition with a measurable life expectancy, like new. The overhaul repair standard is expected to improve predictable reliability and readiness. The Army depends on logistic support, and today those requirements are greater than ever. Having adequate major assemblies such as engines and transmissions for the force is key to success on the battlefield. The MMD has the capability to overhaul all engines, transmissions, and many other components, and has the state-of-the-art equipment to ensure quality. The pit bays in the pit lane mimics an assembly line.
Here, our mission is to inspect, repair, and service vehicles within a specific time frame. This includes having all the repair parts on hand, all the special tools, POL products, and automated systems at the mechanic's fingertips.
To date, 105 bays have been equipped with Stamus, allowing the mechanics to request parts and research TMs at their workstation.
Because of the number of vehicles and type of vehicles that come through the facility at one time, maintaining a hard copy reference library would be next to impossible.
Each mechanic has everything he needs in the bays, from the tools to the parts to the automation, the technical manuals. In addition, the automation is wired to our shop supply, so if the mechanic needs a part, he can order it from the bay and it's sent to supply and delivered.
In fiscal year 2010 alone, the MMD repaired more than 4,000 tactical vehicles.
MMD continues to improve this process so we can better support our soldiers so they can do their mission safely and successfully.
The Humvee hood repair was designed to reduce waste and save time in the pit lane changing cracked hoods. The MMD now replaces these hoods as a complete assembly, reducing turnaround time from 4 hours to a half hour. The 5S method, or sort, set in order, shine, stabilize, and sustain, provides a foundation for delivering high-quality products and services in the right quantity at the right time and to satisfy customer needs. The MMD reviewed different ways to improve the production, quantity, quality of the equipment for repair, and the morale of the mechanics. Using ideas from the quality systems and the maintenance department, we determined that the 5S method will be best suited to accomplish all of these goals. The 5S method process involves safety, work efficiency, and productivity, and establishes a sense of ownership. A well-organized workplace motivates its people.
The MMD's Government Quality Assured staff performs daily product quality surveys. These surveys ensure the MMD is performing maintenance actions within the Army standards and contractual requirements.
Workplace safety is the most important part of the daily operations of the MMD. The Environmental Health and Safety Department has many preventative measures in place to keep all employees aware of how to stay safe in the workplace and other programs to help monitor the workplace for unsafe conditions.
The MMD's goals and objectives are to enhance equipment readiness, increase efficiency, and reduce resource waste.
The MMD engaged in many opportunities to have an effective maintenance program. The key to our success is attempt to constantly improve customer satisfaction through teamwork, effective communication, and a commitment to continuous process improvement. The MMD Quality Assurance Branch ensures our best support for the Army top elite forces.
It takes a dedicated team to make this all sync, from the PP&C clerks to the shop supply to the mechanic to the supervisors, all working behind the scenes to ensure that our mechanics have wrench turning time. With that, it increases our production, and the customers appreciate that. The MMD's heart is in what they do, and it shows our support to the tactical warfighter and the quality that goes into the repairs for all equipment needed to sustain and win the fight wherever our forces are.
The DOL is committed to providing world-class maintenance support to America's premier warfighters.